Are you ready?
Oh, okay, sir. Now, for the benefit of others that do not understand Igbo, Umuigboekunie is not just about Igbos alone. So may you introduce yourself?
My name is Shifraf Ezokoli, Ide Anambra. I'm one of the trustees of Umuigboekunie.
Okay, sir. So we are here today. Why are we here today, sir?
We are having a physical meeting of Umuigboekunie members. After a long while, we've been having online meetings, and today we've just had our physical meeting.
How do you feel today? How do you feel?
Exciting.
Did you meet the expectations?
Very much. Being the first time.
Then what are we expecting in future?
Goodness. We are going to surpass our objectives.
No, sir. Talking about
the welfare and benefit of youths and younger ones.
Okay, sir. Now, talking about empowerment and development of Igbo land, what is your take, given what is happening in the southeast
I'm
region?
100% in support of it. Whatever happens is being caused by our enemies, both within and without. And we, at other levels, are working to suppress it and clear it out.
So how are you going to coordinate Ndi Igbo that are in diaspora to key to this novel project and begin to come home to invest in Igbo land?
The only way to coordinate them is to be frank, to tell them the truth. If they want something, direct them where they will get it, and they get what they want. If they want to invest, you make sure they get to the right people to invest on their properties or whatever.
Okay,
Give
sir.
them direction, honest direction.
Okay, sir. So your name once again, sir?
Shifra Ezokoli.